As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There are two things you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer, please add it to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. And the thing we need to know is, what is an appositive? An appositive is simply a parenthetical that modifies the word that comes in front of it. A parenthetical that modifies the word that comes in front of it. It's a parenthetical, so it's non-essential information for the sentence, but it's always going to modify the word or phrase that immediately precedes it. And the second thing you need to know is parentheticals must start and end with what? The answer to that is the same punctuation. So if it starts with a comma, it needs to end with comma. If it starts with M dash, it needs to end with M dash, etc. With those in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at number 11. And so we're dealing with an appositive here. It says Hrasvita, and then it tells us information about him, and then is one of the earliest known European women playwrights. All right. So knowing that a medieval author and dramatist is just an appositive telling us who Hrasvita is, we know that that needs to be encased into parenthetical. So that's going to allow us to eliminate C and D because neither of those are encased in a parenthetical. And so that just leaves us with A and B. And we know that a parenthetical must start and end with the same punctuation. So since it started with a comma, it needs to end with a comma, which is what B does. So A can be eliminated because it's breaking the parenthetical rule. If that made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to the next clause 1 question that you missed on this test. If this is the final clause 1 question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the clause 1 mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before continuing to the next category that you miss the most of.